Hello, everybody. Just thought I would introduce myself. I am Professor Lori Benelou. I will be an instructor for the next 5.5 weeks. And I just wanted to kick off the semester with a little motivational video regarding Unit 1 discussion board. Very important to understand what you need to do in each assignment. So your Unit 1 discussion board, is going to be due on Friday, February 5th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is a great assignment. I absolutely love this assignment because I love working with my students, and this is a chance to get to know you. And this is exactly what I want. I remember back in the day when I was teaching in-person classes, I would love it. I would have each student talk about themselves for a brief moment. Some of them hated it, wanted to throw things at me, but it really got students thinking and networking, and I loved it. And, we're all here to support each other. So I absolutely love this assignment. Basically, I had students completely networking. I would have them state a little bit about themselves, where they're from, what their majors are. And, it was wonderful in the sense that I would have students say, gee, so-and-so is an elementary school major and wants to teach third grade as well. I had students going to Starbucks across the street from campus to study for tests together. So I love this. It's a way for us to get to know one another. So this is a terrific time to meet your fellow classmates, learn a bit about them, and for them to learn a bit about you. Introduce yourself in the introductory discussion board. If you're not sure how to get started, begin by discussing your background, why you were in school. Feel free to mention your proudest accomplishments and offer advice to others. Say something unique or fun about yourself, okay? Very, very, very interesting. Okay, the second part of this assignment. You can upload a picture, which I love. You will see in my welcome discussion board that I have uploaded a couple pictures, and I just think it's a neat thing. But anyway, you can upload by clicking post file, and when you respond to the discussion board, images like JPEG usually work out best, but our discussion board accepts other formats as well. Get started today. This is going to be due April 5th. I can't wait to meet all of you, and I can't wait to read all of your DBs and get to know you. Have a good one, everybody.